NCERT Exemplar 11 Biology Chapter 18 Neural Control and Coordination. Chemical which are released at the synaptic junction are called hormones, neurotransmitter, cerebrospinal fluid, lymph. Synaptic junctions, the chemical which is released, we say neurotransmitter like acetylcholine, like sympathin. So various neurotransmitters are there like dopamine, like serotonin. Neurotransmitter is the answer. Potential difference across resting membrane is negatively charged. This is due to differential distribution of the following ions: sodium and potassium ions, bicarbonate and chloride ions, calcium and magnesium ion, calcium and chloride ion. So here it is in the axon along the length that we know that more sodium outside, more potassium inside. Axoplasm is having more potassium. So who is the deciding factor here? Sodium and potassium ions. Resting membrane potential is maintained by hormones, neurotransmitter, ion pumps, none of the above. Here resting membrane potential is maintained by sodium, potassium, ATP pump, which they send every 3 sodium ions outside for 2 potassium ion inside. So we say ion pump is the answer. The function of our visceral organs is controlled by sympathetic and somatic neural system, sympathetic and parasympathetic neural system, central and somatic neural system, none of the above. It is little closer answers we have, but exemplar is given sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system is controlling that visceral organs. Superficial answer, more debatable, but answer is given this one. Which of the following is not involved in knee jerk reflex? Knee jerk reflex is a reaction, muscle spindle, motor neuron, brain and interneuron. So knee jerk reaction is without the involvement of the brain. So that's why we say answer is brain. Here an area in the brain which is associated with strong emotions is cerebellar cortex, cerebral cortex, cerebellum, limbic system, medulla. So amygdala, hippocampus, along with the hypothalamus form the limbic system, which is for emotional behavior. As eye and ear are removed from the syllabus, exemplar biology, I just removed all the questions from eye and ear. That's why we have very few in neural control and coordination. So moving on with the other chapters in the Icon Educational Institutions channel, we'll find other chapters of exemplar also. Please search as Icon Exemplar. Then you'll find all the chapters of biology, physics and chemistry. Thank you.